Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this episode, as you can see, I got my car on jacks, a little ramps, excuse me. So why are we doing that? This is about to go away. I'm going to make this be Cobb titanium. So I'm going to try to do my best of filming this, but basically I think it's like a 14 millimeter socket with like a 12 on the back end to take most of all of this off. And it's like a 7 or 8 or something on the Cobb. I'll kind of get everything together and link it in the description below. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So yeah, give me just a moment to get everything together and we'll kind of continue from there. 14 mil. 14 mil. Here. Sometimes you just gotta give it a push. 2/14. In a second, we'll do the other side. All right, everyone. So I didn't really get a chance to finish filming the way I wanted to of the video. If you were looking previously, you should see someone in the background. That was my brother. He was helping me out. I ended up helping him out as well. So I didn't really do anything after I took this off the muffler. Basically, there's like 2 exhaust hangers, one up here and then like one back here. It's on both sides. There's an exhaust hanger tool you can get for like 14-20 bucks off of Amazon. I would suggest getting it. It helps make it so much easier. WD-40 might be needed depending on how old your car is and how long they've been on there on the exhaust hangers. So then we eventually ran into an issue where this was not high enough, right? So we took the car off the ramps. We then jacked it up, and then my brother told me there was like an area like right here you use, forgot what he called, but we did that instead. Definitely don't try to jack it up from the front because I tried right in here and I kind of ran out of room and thought I had it and I started making stuff crumble. So yeah, once we got it fully jacked up, we have some like really big jack stands right there, along with like just some smaller ones. So we did the smaller ones on the front, the big ones in the back. We were able to get underneath. It was just, same socket and bolt, before 14 millimeter. Then I had like, I think it was like a 12 on the back end to hold it, and then just kind of did the same thing, just pulled it out. Basically use the same stuff going forward, putting back everything in reverse for the mid pipe. Then coming down through here, there's the Y pipe splits out and you have 2 clamps, or a clamp on each side. And then you connect obviously to the mufflers. So basically here is your end result of kind of what it looks like. And I'll kind of come down here and you can see the Cobb. And I might see if I can jump in a little bit. Let's see. It's a little too far, I think. So we'll come back out one. Yeah, so you can see where we did it. And then we kind of come back up here. You can see how my brother did it up there. He helped me out getting all of it done. This is what he calls his project car, even though it's my car, whatever. So yeah, that was it. I did actually film audio clips of the exhaust afterwards, so you'll hear that coming up shortly. All in all, I think it took maybe like an hour and a half, but that's because we ran into an issue. Like I said, we had to take it off the ramps, then jack it all the way up all around. So I feel like if I were to do it over again, or if I were to swap something on my STI like that I have right there, going forward, I'll more than likely put the ramps on the front and then jack up the rear, because I can use the rear differential, whatever it is called, back here to jack up. So with that being said, I'll now lead you into some exhaust clips. I hope you like it. I'll eventually try to do a drive-by of this. So yeah, with that being said, enjoy these exhaust clips, and I'm going to do one of it from factory exhaust, and then it's going to go to the Cobb titanium, and then I'm going to let y'all hear my STI exhaust as well at the very end. So once again, if you like my videos, hit the like button, subscribe, see more content. I got another video I'm going to be popping soon. I'm going to probably think about raising this, and I'm going to tell you why, because I kind of had a little accident the other day. It's all right. It wasn't too bad. I just scraped bottom really, really bad. I'm about to show y'all in another video. So with that being said, enjoy the exhaust sounds from my WRX VB.